I know that you frequently turn to me here at KidTime StoryTime to learn how to do so many things. And I've taught you things like how to meet a mermaid, how to behave if you ever meet a skeleton, even how to run for president. So imagine my dismay when I realized, much to my chagrin, that I had never, ever told you how to make friends with a ghost. Ooh. And all credit goes to Ghosty, who pointed out this deficiency in our library. But deficiency no more. You are about to learn how to do this correctly because, as Ghosty pointed out, this is one of the essential lessons of life. So, I apologize for taking so long to show you, but you know what? It's never too late as long as we are still not ghost to learn. How to make friends with a ghost. Oh, look at how pretty the pages are on the inside. It looks like autumn and there are some leaves. Oh, wait a minute. Is that some kind of a bug? Ooh, that's mine. Oh, okay. Is that a cauldron? Oh, also mine. Oh, okay. I thought this was really like pretty, but now I'm seeing worms. Mine. And is that a bat? Also mine. And also that 6-fingered hand right there. Which hand? Also mine. Ooh, that's a hand? Oh, I thought it was a flower. We have a lot to learn here. Let's go in. How to make friends with a ghost. If you've ever been frightened by a ghost, the thought of becoming friends with one might seem awfully scary, especially if you're into ghost stories. But I assure you, ghosts are sweet creatures who need friends too. And who better to befriend them than you? Who better? I can't think of anyone better. Me? Nope, still you. This helpful guide will show you how to create a lifelong and beyond friendship. And look at our little ghost here. Very cute, just sitting here on a log, arms crossed, perhaps waiting for you to come and become a friend. Introduction. I would say take notes, but you can just rewind later. Ghosts are tricky to track down, so it is advisable that you do not try to look for one. Oh, I see. Let them come to you. Okay. Most of the time, when a person thinks they have found a ghost, they have not. See figures 1, figures 2, and figures 3. Okay, what do we have here? Figure 1, a costume child. Boo! Boo! Hey, Green Bear.
Oh, how'd you know it was me?
Lucky guess.
Boo!
Figure 2, a dusty camera lens. Ah, yes. You think you've captured ghost spots, but it's really just dust. And figure 3, towel on a doorknob. Gets me every time. However, Dr. Fantonius Spookel, leading ghost expert and poet, writes, a ghost is nearly impossible to find. You can look till your face turns blue. But if you're a person who is sweet, warm, and kind, a ghost may come out and find you. Oh, wait a minute. Look at the cover. On being sweet, warm, and kind. So she's already studying up, and somehow the ghost can sense that she is sweet, warm, and kind because she's even reading about how to be it. That's very curious, right? Because those are the same qualities that attract a human flesh and bone kind of friend. So ghosts, I guess, are not that different from us in that respect. If you think you have been found by a ghost, use this handy classification guide to make sure the creature in question is, in fact, a ghost. We must confirm. Asterisk, let's look down here. From the archives of the Department of Paranormal Classification at the Society of Supernatural Studies. This is a very, very thoroughly researched book. Okay, so she's looking at the study classification to compare. It indicates small mouth, but eats a lot, shifts in size, but is usually 2 feet tall, great eyesight, can see in the dark, of course, body transparent and will glow slightly, super cool. Healthy ghost has rosy cheeks, oh, so cute, arms, but no fingers. Spooky fingers are for the humans. Part 1, Ghost Basics. Okay, here we go. Oh, what are you doing here? Come over to my cave. All right, the do's and the don'ts. Although you might be frightened when a ghost greets you, do not run like this. Ah! Ghosts are very sensitive creatures, so that's the don't. The do is simply smile, wave, and tell the ghost your name. Just like this right here. All right, seems to be going pretty well. Once the ghost knows you are friendly, it will most likely follow you. This is where it gets interesting, I think. Welcome the ghost into your home. If it is reluctant, a simple will get the ghost inside. Just a little, that's it. I mean, they weigh like nothing. Warning, okay, these things are important. Never, ever put your hand through a ghost.
Owie!
It can cause a serious tummy ache. Oh, no. Don't do that, not even by mistake, because I am thinking that you want a friendly ghost, and if your ghost gets cranky, it could maybe not get so friendly, and then it's in your house. You see where I'm going with this, right? Okay, moving on. Part 2, ghost care. Feeding. This is essential.
Oh, yeah. Everybody knows that ghosts need ghost food. Whoa!
Thank you, Ghost Green Bear. All right.
You're welcome.
Let's see, what kind of foods do ghosts like? Cinnamon dusted insects, moldy toast, earwax truffles. Ew! Ooh, that sounds delicious. I think I'll plan that for my next party. Do you even have friends to invite? Yes, I do. I think. Let's see, mud tarts, pickled boogers. Ew!
Pickled boogers. Whoa!
Oh, I know one ghost who likes that already. Ghosts love to snack. One sure way to a ghost's heart is to fix its favorite treats. Now, chances are your ghost will want to help you in the kitchen. Oh, how friendly. I suggest making floating spaghetti and mud balls together. Cook time all day. All day? Serves one hungry ghost. Let's see, 1 cup of dried witch hair. What? Need I remind you that you don't actually have hair, just horns? Oh, never mind, go on. Okay. 2 cups of creek water, 3/4 cups of mud, any variety, 3/4 cups of tomato sauce, pretty classic ingredient, 2 tablespoons of spider egg parmesan. And then step 1 is to boil the witch hair for 6 hours. Oh, what? Again, you have horns, not hair? Oh, I was just testing you. You failed. What? 2, roll mud into balls and refrigerate for 2 hours. 3, drain the hair, add the tomato sauce and the mud balls. 4, float and combine the pasta. Ooh. And 5, top with spider egg parmesan. That is an all-day concoction. Unfortunately, it does say here that leftovers will keep in the refrigerator for up to 3 years. That's fresh. I also recommend these other tasty dishes. Musty biscuits with toe jam.
Did you just say toe jam?
Yes, Ghost Green Bear.
Just ghost. I'm not Green Bear. I'm a ghost.
Okay. Do you want some toe jam?
Yeah.
Monster mashed potatoes. We have some dead leaf salad with boutons, spiderweb sushi. Yum, I think I saw that at the supermarket the other day. And thunderstorm soup. Where's the bad stew? This is probably not on the menu for the ghost. Ugh, this is a terrible party. Okay, for these and more recipes, see my book, Superstitious and Nutritious, Wacky Snackies for Your Ghost. So many good resources in here. This is the must-have, I think. Activities. Take your ghosts for a walk in the woods. Ghosts love to collect leaves, acorns, worms. Read scary stories together. Ghosts love to be read to. Oh, I think probably there's one watching right now. We don't even know it because we can't see them. I suggest Tales of the Living by Mort L. Bings. Mort L. Bings. That sounds a lot like mortal beings, but it's just a coincidence. Tell jokes to your ghost. They love to giggle. Yeah. Okay, let's do the ghost joke. Okay, I guess we're gonna do this with ghost bear. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo!
Boo-hoo!
Why are you crying?
I love ghost humor.
Bedtime. Oh, I bet this is a fun time in Ghostville. Give your ghost a bedtime bath. I suggest warming water in a cauldron, I'm sure you have one, and blowing your own bubbles. Oh, what is this? Fear-free shampoo. That's what a ghost uses instead of shampoo. Putting your ghost to bed every night will ensure it sleeps soundly with plenty of nightmares. Do not worry about this because why? Ghosts love nightmares. Make your ghost a cozy bed. Try laying down some moss in the darkest corner of the attic. Oh, I'm there. Okay, the other darkest corner of your attic then. All right. Make a canopy out of spider web, which looks just so lovely. And ghosts love to be sung too, like a little bedtime ghostly lullaby. Try singing to them in eerie hums and wails. I've got this. No, it's okay. Are you trying to put the ghost to sleep or are you trying to wake the dead? What's the difference? I technically don't know. See, that was right. She might have been right. Hiding spots. Others might be wary around your ghost. Wary meaning a little nervous, unsure, because maybe they have not made friends with a ghost yet. So it's best to find good hiding spots. You can hide your ghost in a tissue box or hide your ghost in a sock drawer. It's also a great place for napping. You can even hide your ghost in the refrigerator. Ghosts love to be cold. Just be careful not to pour yourself a tall, cold glass of ghost. Oops. Hazards. Do not let your ghost be used as a tissue. Booger removal is never easy. For cleaning tips, see my book, From Gross to Boast, Grooming Tips for Your Ghost. This is such a must-have book. I can't believe that I had not read this already. Do not let your ghost help with the laundry. Poor thing, all wet. Do not let your ghost get eaten or drunk in a glass of milk. Others can mistake ghosts for food items such as eggs or whipped cream or sour cream or marshmallows. Okay, this was the sour cream. This is the marshmallow. Oh, that would be so sad to lose your ghost in a taco incident. Part 3, growing together. Oh, this is great. You're growing together now. Growing up, which is something that most of us do. When you move to a new home, make sure it is not already haunted. Ghosts do not like competition. Ask me how I know. Ooh, that's right, Ghosty. You are the #1 and only ghost of KidTime StoryTime. Ooh. Yes, and it will remain so. When you start working, you will still have to make time for your ghost. This is essential. Even though you're growing up, moving, getting a job, you still have to care for your ghost. I suggest take a ghost to work day. Ooh, that's a good one. When you start a family, your ghost will love many versions of you too. Boo! Yeah! Note, ghosts love to play peekaboo. Growing old. Oh my goodness, this is the whole life cycle. This is great. This is the only book you will ever need for this. It takes you from the beginning all the way to your old age. You will get old, but your ghost never will. It will still want to collect leaves, acorns, and worms. So you have to grab that cane, put your bow in your hair, and let's go do this thing. If your eyes can no longer see, your ghost will be there to read to you. Ghost stories, of course. And even if you can't remember jokes, your ghost can. It will be there to make you laugh. The best part about making friends with a ghost is that you'll have the sweetest friend forever. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? forever. According to Dr. Fantonius Spookel, if you've been lucky enough to be found by a ghost that calls you its friend, then your friendship will last, for it knows no bounds. You'll be friends even after the end. So, do you recognize her, the friend, wearing the bow? Oh, I can't believe it. Feel just a tiny bit sentimental because that is a friend not just for life, but for afterlife. Proving what? What do you think? That love and friendship never end. So now you know how to make friends with a ghost. Oh, wait, were your eyes just wet right now? No, they were not. Do I see wetness in your eyes? No, you see nothing. Don't you have a cauldron or something to get to?
I'm lost.
Oh, just that way. So kid, now you know. The same things that attract a regular friend to your life will attract the ghost. Kindness, warmth, and by the way, it occurs to me that the very same qualities and care that you put into a ghost friend, if you put it into a flesh and bones friend, will also result in a friend for life. And for all we know, the afterlife as well.